para bumukas sa akin. It hurts. Hurts, you know. Ay. So, I'm patiently waiting here on the 4th floor. I forgot to toggle this one. Toggle press. Toggle on and off like that. Yeah. So, perhaps let's look at the window first. Peaceful nature. Ayan, bubukan na sana ito sa akin. Thank you. Diba? May bakit comfy floor? Sana wala na. May tilapiyang hawak.